If you were to ride on this roller coaster, then it would literally kill you, but that's the intention. So what's the story behind this, and what would it look like? The Euthanasia Coaster is a conceptual steel roller coaster that explores the idea of the unique end-of-life experience for its riders. The concept was initially developed in 2010 by Julijonas Urbonas.
I'm Julijonas Urbonas from Lithuania. This piece is called Euthanasia Coaster.
Drawing inspiration from his background, working in amusement parks, Urbonas aimed to create a roller coaster that would provide a graceful and euphoric means of passing away. While discussing potential applications for this design, Urbonas mentioned its association with the concept of euphoria or execution. He found inspiration in the words of John Allen, former president of Philadelphia Tobacco Company, who described the ultimate roller coaster as one that would ensure the demise of its passengers. I must admit though, that does feel quite sinister. In terms of its design, the coaster layout starts with a steep lift that ascends to the height of 500 meters, which is 1,600 feet. A process which would literally take many minutes to reach the top. I'll be honest, I think half of the fear in roller coasters is the build up at the top, so I can imagine this being very scary for the come up. To provide a point of reference, the tallest existing roller coaster in the world is the King Dakar.
Fastest roller coaster on earth, King Dakar. You will hit 128 miles per hour.
Definition of extreme height, there are none taller.
Which stands at 139 meters or 456 feet, and the Euthanasia Coaster would be between 3 and 4 times higher than this. Following the ascent, the coaster would plunge down a 500 meter drop, reaching the speeds of up to 360 kilometers per hour, which is 220 miles per hour, close to its terminal velocity. It would then navigate 7 loops, each with a progressively smaller diameter, in order to maintain the lethal 10 G-force on its passengers while gradually reducing speed. After a sharp right turn, the coaster would enter a straight section, and loading of new passengers could potentially occur. Regarding the mechanism of action, the Euthanasia Coaster would cause the demise of its passengers through the prolonged cerebral hypoxia, which refers to an insignificant supply of oxygen to the brain. The force experienced during each of these coasters' 7 upside-down loops, subjecting passengers to 10 G-forces for an acceleration of 60 seconds, would induce a range of symptoms related to G-forces. These symptoms would include partial loss of vision, tunnel vision, blackouts, and eventually G-log, G-force-induced loss of consciousness. The subsequent inversions or additional rides on the coaster would serve as a safeguard against unintentional survival or individuals with stronger physical resilience. The Euthanasia Coaster was pitched in 2010, but after deep consideration into the idea behind it and the possible public outrage, it was not approved. Why not check out some of our other more creepy videos after hitting the like button and subscribing with notifications on? Until next time, horror lovers, peace.